All now me can't believe say Sha'carri come dead last. People, she come last with nobody behind her. Me can't believe we are going to talk about that.
So Q, how come we come first? So when them come, dead last.
I think you say.
If I'm too high, Lord, bring me down.
One to the baboon, yeah man, the cartoon, yeah man.
And out in front, the Olympic champion.
Baboon, yeah man.
So now it's game time, bitches.
Give up. Go in your church.
Them dead.
Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes. Chaddy Murray TV.
For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Murray, Bototom, Bush, Yaxter said that.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again, people. Wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. So if for the first time you check out the Chaddy Murray TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so anytime I upload videos like these, you definitely are gonna be the first to know. And people, if you watch my Instagram, hit the follow button. Follow your thing, no man. Facebook the same. Now people, I forward for talk about the race. The race of the century. The race of the year. The race of the millennium. And at the race today at the Diamond League. Now people, why this race is so important. Even more important than the Olympics. If you remember, you have a little girl named Sha'carri. Sha'carri Robinson or something like such a name. You see me?
I'm not upset at myself at all. This is one race. I'm not done. You know what I'm capable of.
Now, straight through the season, this girl attack a bag of shit on social media. You see me? The girl literally a bully. Well, them can't bully Jamaican. You know what I mean? Because we not only have the talk, but we have the action for back it. But mama go up on Instagram and attack a bag of things. And then catch her with the weed. So she couldn't get figure run at the Olympics. So we say alright, we book her a Diamond League. Remember, you know, remember people. People, we not just talk about this girl, so you know, we not just happy to see this girl lose. So you know, yeah, me happy to see her lose. Me not be no hypocrite about it. Me happy to see she lose. Even though me expect she to come fourth. Not dead last. But we are going to talk about that in a few. Mama go up on Instagram this week and drop this video. Watch it now.
I took I took some time off to rest, and now it's game time, bitches. You have no idea. I took some time off to rest, and now it's...
Shut up, you chat too much.
So after you make them talk, the mama, you still forward and come dead last? Not even fourth? You see me? Not even... I'm not going to say third, but fifth, last? A first, second, and third for we. Again. People, remember, we not just get up and I hate from the girl here. You know? Remember, say, when she get caught doping, she attack a bag of shit same way. You see me? And she say because of this and she say because of that. And then people on the international stage start say how we grow weed so. And none of our athletes them never get caught with weed. Because them not smoke. You're so fool. A foolie man. We athlete them not smoke. We eat banana, dasheen, cocoa, yam. Our mother send we out. Got full water and them something there. And we have to run go shop. My mother spit on the ground and say, yo, you have to run, go shop and come back before that dry up. And so comes we fast. You see me? We naturally, we just fast. Now when the girl here forward and attack a bag of things. You see me? Even when Jamaican did so good in the Olympic, when we come first, second and third. Mama go up on our Twitter and say, y'all something another with your little medals. something on that. I will see if I can find the tweet and put it somewhere there. Like she has style where I say little medal. After we come first, second and third, you know, mama got to them little medal. How we had though? So this week, she dropped the video I played earlier on. I was serious that she did go bring it. People we never talk about the race yet, but we talk about the pre-interview. In the pre-interview now, it's like the brother interview everybody. As I mean, 3 Jamaican athletes plus them. Because you know, say all eyes upon them. And a Diamond League this, so this is about money. A money race this, sponsorship race and all of them things. They are not like Olympic where you run for your country and them things. This is like an individual race for those who don't know. So Sherika participate for herself and I like say she represent Jamaica. Yes, she's representing Jamaica, but it's an individual race. Something this is a money race. So when the interviewer say, I saw you talking a lot of stuff on Instagram with your million of followers. My one said, no, not 2 million.
Hey, I'm just one of millions of your followers now, but I did see on one of your posts.
We can't take that from you. Out of all of the athletes them we have, except Bolt out of it, you have more followers than we, isn't it? For true. But you tell me, say, in your 2 million followers, them you go disappoint all of them. You better do like Shelly them and just have like 600k and them thing there. And just disappoint 600,000 people. More than you go and disappoint 2 million people. No people, mama go with one little map stick looking ear, you know. Where our ear literally look like a map. But we not talk about that. We talk about the race. Now when mama go down and say, in your mouth, get set and shoot off. They see Jamaican girl and go so boop, pass her. American girl them a run. When me look at dead last she come. Dead last. Nobody behind her. Dead last.
Start for Shelley Ann Fraser Price. Thompson Hurrah. Richardson being left behind and out in front, the Olympic champion.
You know who should beat? You see the man with the gun. We say ready, set, go! Boom! And bust the gun. And that man alone should beat. Jado star, yo. Oh, the stop mess with we Jamaicans, yo. You see right now over Twitter, our name a trend. We call her Sha'carri. All sort of something. Probably we do one next video, as in how Jamaican react to her or something like so. But me I beg you, please, mama, just humble like Jamaicans are embassy line. Me I beg you, please. You see me? Don't bother do that hype something there. And when a time to put your money where your mouth there, you come last. Not do it, man. You know say if you did humble, it would look so bad. Because all now, I not even know the other American them are running a race, you know. The other American them running at the race too. And them no win. And it no look no way upon them, but because you're so hype. And not even that, people. After she come dead last, mama go up on the interview and go on like say at first she come. Me I say, is it that she delusional or she have too much confidence?
Count me out if you want to. Talk all the you want. Because I'm here to stay. I'm not done. I'm the 6th fastest woman in this game ever.
16 in me leave her.
Me mama, whoa, the belly, laugh enough if you laugh or cry. What funny?
Cause me a preach and me I say, yo, I want him. Me can't take from her, you know. She have confidence like, whoa. And me I say, you know, some I want to have confidence, so. You see me? But then after me see that interview with them, me I say, is it confidence or it's delusional? She delusional? Jano Star. People, this is just my couple cents on the matter. You see me? Big up Elaine. Big up Shelly. Big up Sharika. And I don't want to left out Brianna. I think her name is Brianna Williams or something like so. But Brianna, she come like 7. Not even Brianna she could have beat. And Brianna young, you know. I grew Brianna to the team. And not even she could have beat. You see me? Me hear somebody say she could have beat not even like she can't even come first in a champs. Jano. Anyway, still Jamaicans to the world. Forward out in my shirt. You see me? Anyway, me there, me represent Jamaica. Win, lose, or draw. Big up on yourself. Will make me proud today. You see me? That alone me have to say. Check me out on Instagram. Check me out on YouTube and check me out on Facebook, Chaddy More TV. Instagram, it's at I am DJ Chaddy, where you can type in Chaddy More TV too, and you still find me. Alright. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And guess what? I'm out. And I one way. Any other way. Jano, going at it. Hot.